All right, folks, here we go with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, California unit from the City of Sacramento. No rust on this bad boy whatsoever. This vehicle was a black and white, and it has been completely painted black inside and out. And folks, let me tell you, this is not your regular day-to-day paint. I am paying top dollar for my paint job, and you will see the quality when you first see this car. This vehicle has 100,000 miles with, I believe, 1618 or 1680 idle hours. We'll get to that in a minute. This was a Supervisors Vehicle. Very well taken care of. Vehicle has been completely serviced, and it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. Folks, as you can see, the car does have a fresh new window tint that came from me. Medium shade all around, so you can kind of see through it. This is a flex fuel unit, E85 OK. No holes on the body whatsoever. Very good looking car, very sharp, very shiny. Folks, once again, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She is turnkey ready. She is road ready to go anywhere across the states. Excuse the glare of the sun here. Let me turn these over this way a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, hey, by the way, Ken, if you're listening, here she is. The wait is almost over. Yes, it is. Don't miss out on this one. I do have dual working spotlights. I do have a Satina push bar on the front, clear headlights. Let's go inside real quick. All right, here we go. I do have all seat belts and buckles in place. I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat, new from the department. Door locks and switches are in place. Door locks are fully functional from inside and out of the car. You're gonna see the rod missing here, but that doesn't matter. Everything's still in there, so they do work. Okay, I verified it and checked. Electric seat on the front. Folks, I do have a brand new aftermarket center console there. Fits perfectly in this vehicle. The driver's seat has been completely refurbished, refoamed, covered up, so she does feel good. She's very comfortable. So I brought her back to new conditions. Perfect dash. Clean this up a little bit here for you guys. Ah, there it is. One little light here, that's not knob, don't worry about it. Working cruise control, guys. One little hole right here on this left side of the trim. Spotlights, they do work. Let's fire her up. All right, folks, there it is. Turn the lights on here real quick. Clean this up here for you guys. All right, there it is. The vehicle does have 100,000 miles. I clear the clock. Correction, this vehicle does have 1619 idle hours. 1,619 idle hours. That is it. For those of you looking for the idle hours, I got one here for you. Folks, no ticket light Dome lights do work.
It's you in exchange for me. 'Cause even the impossible is your reality. I need to hear you now.
Stereo works. Honk does work. Let's go in the trunk. Let's go under the hood. Just bear with me here, guys. It might get blurry. Let me clean this up. Ta -ta 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 -ta. All right, there she is. Folks, also just so you know, I did have all 4 wheels repainted so they look nice and glossy. That came at an additional cost, of course. That does cost extra for us to do here. I do have a trunk Kevlar, and folks, please don't panic. I do have a full spare tire. I took it off in order for us to have the car detail. So I do have a full matching spare tire. Floor jack and hold down pen are actually right there. Right there, you can see stick them out. It's right there. It's right behind that cover right there. Tires, they're about 80% thread all around. Or if I should get technical, 10-30 seconds maybe. Okay. Hey Ken, how are ya? Alright folks, once again, this is a California unit, so therefore there is no rust on this bad boy whatsoever. Vehicle has been completely detailed inside out. She's road ready to go anywhere. Flex fuel unit. Alright guys, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have a new Platinum Motorcraft spark plugs, fresh engine oil, synthetic blend 520. Transmission was serviced, fluid and filter, Mercon LV, Lincoln Victor. Along with that transmission being serviced, I have also installed a new independent transmission cooler so that those two can work together. Alright, so and it does protect the transmission a lot better, and it also increases the revolutions on the transmission. Battery from the department, date code 1/2017. I left that alone. Folks, the vehicle appears to have a new intake manifold, as well as a new drive belt and tensioner from that department. Electric fan, it looks like it was replaced back in June of 2016. Still good, still blowing. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Brakes all around, we're looking at about maybe 80%. Alright, here she is, one last final look guys. I'm going on 9 minutes already. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to give me a call, email me, or text me. One little comment here guys, and if you don't like my cars, you have nothing good to say about them, please keep your comments to yourself. Myself and my followers really don't need to hear your shit. Sorry to say it like that. We don't. You want quality, you come to me. You don't care what you get, you can go someplace else. Plain and simple. Once again, 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor from the City of Sacramento, California, no rust, 100,000 miles and 1619 idle hours. Alright folks, this is it for me. You guys have yourself a great weekend. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. Thank you and take care.